Tesla, one of the most innovative and ambitious companies in the world, leading the way in electric vehicles, autonomous driving, and clean energy, relies on a team who can solve complex and challenging problems by expertise in following stuff. Python, a versatile language crucial for Tesla engineers in data analysis, machine learning, and AI applications like autopilot. JavaScript, essential for front-end development, enabling dynamic interfaces for Tesla's website, mobile app, and in-car systems. Rust, ideal for low-level and system programming, preventing errors in firmware, drivers, and embedded systems for Tesla's hardware. Go, a modern language supporting large-scale systems, vital for cloud computing and microservices in Tesla's infrastructure. Last but not the least, Kotlin. Key for mobile development, particularly on Android devices, enhancing productivity and quality for Tesla's software engineers.